We live in a data-driven world where some organizations may be at risk of falling behind their competitors. They are struggling to adapt to the ever-changing business landscape. Infor offers a self-service financial reporting tool that empowers organizations to embrace data-driven decision-making and stay competitive. This reporting tool provides your organization with numerous benefits, such as empowered decision-making, where your users can easily and quickly generate reports in minutes to access, analyze, and visualize financial data without IT assistance. Flexible and personalized financial reporting. Configure financial reports and personalize them in minutes, including formatting and styles such as number scaling and borders. And reduced costs and burden on IT. Free up your IT resources, allowing them to focus on more technical tasks and requirements. Let's dive in and take a closer look at the power of this tool, and really how easy it is for users to create reports on their own. The financial report tool is wizard-driven, guiding and empowering the finance user to quickly create formatted reports in minutes, eliminating the need to wait for IT assistance. Easily choose elements and filters, customizing the report layout to your liking. With this tool, you have the flexibility to decide what appears on the report, including by groups or levels. Arrange these selections as desired, enabling you and your team to tailor the report precisely to your needs. After selecting the report data and layout, your finance users are free to style and format the report according to their preferences. Choose any element on the report, such as cells, columns, and rows, and then apply formatting styles to create the best report view for your organization. Choose what text style you want, borders, font color, number formatting, and more for those selected elements. Create a new style, or even apply an existing one to multiple locations, making creating and editing reports easier than ever. All applied styles can be viewed and modified at any time, with the reports automatically updating when any changes have been made. The self-service reporting tool empowers your finance users with the ability to create the reports that matter most to you. With the power of dashboards, finance users can unlock even greater potential, allowing them to quickly save and share any of the reports to the rest of their organization. Dashboards even provide your users the ability to combine and edit multiple reports and charts quickly and conveniently. Simply drag and drop existing charts and reports, or create new ones right on your current dashboard. Adjust the layout, and even change the report or chart data, such as year or department, to fit the exact view that you're looking for. With this powerful and easy-to-use capability, you and your users can access and share all of your financial information in one location. The self-service financial reporting tool not only saves time by eliminating the reliance on spreadsheets and external resources for reporting, but also empowers every finance user to effortlessly create and share those reports, all within a unified and user-friendly platform. This is just one of the many tools within Enterprise Performance Management, allowing you and your team to streamline, optimize, and enhance your financial planning and reporting process.